guys, myself Neha. Now I am 12th board. At this crucial stage of my life, I am proceeding towards my dream, all because of the support given by my institute in respect to studies. I am studying in the coaching site study circle, which is situated at IRC village near CRP square. Here all the teachers are brilliant and experienced. They make me capable to study hard and conceptual regarding my studies. Those professors help me to solve tricky questions by giving tricky ideas. Those ideas also help me during my entrance examinations. The teachers themselves are laborious and motivate us to think more out of this course. This institute tries best to provide all the opportunities to the students. That's why I'm honored to be in institute, and I will take the extraordinary knowledge of my teachers, which will encourage me rest of my life.